So basically today we will try to understand in a very simple and animation way how we can understand the limitations of Bitcoin and how the next Bitcoin, the better Bitcoin, is changing it. So if you clearly see that when we understand that the problem with Bitcoin is the thing that Vitalik did, the revenue that can be created on the blockchain. We cannot create any revenue on blockchain because we cannot build on blockchain. So now when you understand this, you can understand very clearly. I'll give you a very good example of this. For example, you are a farmer. Okay, now when you are a farmer, you are putting 1 kg of wheat and you are getting out 100 kgs of wheat. Now when you're getting out 100 kgs of wheat, you can sell that 100 kgs of wheat and you can actually have a profit of 100x. But if you cannot have a industry which can change that wheat into, let's say, cookies, or let's say porridge, or let's say different type of wheat based bakery stuff, so if you can't do that, you cannot have that extra very expensive stuff that can give you more yield or more returns. Similarly, Bitcoin can give you some certain amount of returns because obviously it has solved money 16 years ago. But if you see that all the other altcoins exist because they're trying to solve the problem of the expression that Bitcoin lacks, but they forget, the other coins forget the fact that Bitcoin has the fair start, so which means the Bitcoin started from zero, and Nexa keeps that, and even much more fair way because Nexa gives value to all the people, those who have seen Bitcoin success, so they have this ability to understand that it cannot be hacked, which was not in the case of Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin came, nobody understood the technology, but now we understand it very well. So what I'm trying to say here is that Bitcoin is like you are just a farmer. You just have 100 kg of wheat and you cannot control the price and just sell it. But when you have Nexa, you can create things on Nexa, just like you can create on Ethereum, and not just a wrap-up function on Ethereum. You are actually having the native smart contracts, native tokens, which means that it is more robust and more hat-free. So yeah, in that way, I can tell you that Nexa is like the fuel of the Nexa blockchain. And the more we secure, the more we give to the people. Even 1 cent of Nexa, if we give to the people, it will help us to kind of understand that, okay, it's like a gift economy that used to be there during the earlier times when human beings were there on Earth and they used to just survive on the trees in the forest and all, and they just embrace the gift economy. That's how our evolution has brought us to what we are currently right now. So you have to understand this fact very well. You have to understand that from where we are coming, right? So yeah, I'm trying to explain things here which kind of tells you in a very layman way, even a 5-year-old or 6-year-old can understand that how Nexa solves the entire problem of Bitcoin, and how Nexa is a better Bitcoin, and how the revenue models on Nexa will create a decentralized form of money which can be used in whatever way people want it to, and the future businesses will run on Nexa because the blockchain will keep on becoming more and more expressive and more compatible to all the different sort of things. So yeah, I'll keep on sharing my knowledge in coming videos. Thank you so much.